In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manage courses in Airtable using Claude AI. Start by opening Claude AI and creating a new chat. Once the chat is ready, paste in a prompt that asks Claude to create a course management system directly in your Airtable using the integration. The prompt should tell Claude to build tables for courses and lessons and include fields for course name, lesson title, status, progress, instructor, schedule date, duration, and notes. It should also ask for a structured learning workflow and request that everything be fully configured and ready to use. After sending the prompt, give Claude a moment to generate and create the setup in Airtable. When that is complete, open Airtable and go to your workspace. Look for the newly created base for course management. Open that base so you can review what was generated. Begin by checking the courses table. Make sure the table includes the fields you need for managing your courses. Confirm that items such as the course name, instructor details, progress tracking, status, schedule information, duration, and notes are all present and organized clearly. Next, open the lessons table. Review the fields there as well, and make sure lesson title and related tracking details have been added correctly. This table should support the lesson-level view of your learning system and connect naturally with the overall course structure. Once both tables look correct, verify the scheduling setup. Check that the schedule date fields are using the right format and that the duration fields are available for planning lesson and course timing. This is important for keeping your learning plan structured and easy to follow. Then review the progress tracking setup. Make sure the status fields are ready for options such as not started, in progress, or completed, and confirm that the progress fields can be used to measure how far along each course or lesson is. A clear progress system makes the base more useful for ongoing learning management. After reviewing the structure, you are ready to start managing your courses. Add your courses and lessons, fill in the key details, and begin using the base to track your learning in one place. With the tables and fields already prepared, it becomes much easier to stay organized and monitor each part of the process. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.